PNP leadership transition intensifies. Front runner scheduled to be nominated this Wednesday. Hello and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, more celebration in August Town about zero murders for 2016.
Police question 3 people in connection with the death of a female Burger King employee.
Island-wide protests. Jamaicans condemn violence against women.
Hustlers create havoc for legitimate funeral directors.
And in the business day, major play and local BPO industry sheds hundreds of jobs.
There's also the ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in the Primetime News package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you make of Portia Simpson-Miller's plan to step down as PNP leader at the end of March?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.